Welcome to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to add a whitelist on your Rust server to prevent any people that are unauthorized to enter your server without your permission. Now to do that you will need a plugin, of course. Rust doesn't have its own whitelisting system, so the easiest way to do that is basically to go into your plugins tab here, and then from the search bar you're gonna enter whitelist to find the plugin that you want. We're gonna be using this one, so we're just gonna click install here. And now, as you can see here on the top, whitelist is installed on our server successfully. Now, of course, you'll need to whitelist the people that you want to enter your server. To find the right steps to do that, we're gonna click on this arrow button here to take us to the official page that specifically mentions all the steps. On the official plugin page, you can actually see here that there is a permissions section. This means that whoever you whitelist to enter your server must be assigned with this permission right here. So what you're gonna do is select this permission name here. You can just click on it and it will get copied into your clipboard. And the next step is to go back into your panel. Once you're back into the panel, then head over back to your console. Now the next step is to whitelist a person you want to be able to enter into your server, even if that is yourself or another friend or some other random player. To do that, you're gonna enter the following command: o.grant user followed by the person's Steam ID, which can be found next to their Steam URL, and then followed by the permission name, which was whitelist.allow. And now just click enter, and as you can see from our console, this player has now been granted the permission whitelist.allow and will be able to enter our server. You can also set it so that if a player is assigned in the admin group on your server, they will have automatic access to enter the server without being whitelisted. To do that, you'll need to head over to your files tab here, and then inside the Oxide file, then head over to config, and here you will find the JSON file for the whitelist plugin. Just click on that, and here is where you can see admin excluded true false. You can configure this to your liking if you want admins or not to be able to join by default. And of course, once you make your changes, you can just save content and then head back over to your console and then just do o.reload whitelist. And that will reload the plugin and push all your changes live into the server. For whitelisting, like we did before, you shouldn't need to reload the plugin, but if you have changed something in the config, then you do need to reload the plugin. If you're using Carbon instead, you just need to change your command from o.grant to c.grant. Just like that. And if you're reloading, c.reload, just like that. And that's pretty much how easy it is to set up a whitelist plugin on your Rust server. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.